Hello YouTubers! In this video we're going to be taking a look at the ParKoo Erasable Gel Pen. I got a 7-color set right here from ParKoo. It says right there, kind of hard to read, ParKoo, and it's a 0.7 millimeter gel pen. So let's get right to it. All right, now we've covered gel pens in the past, but this is one of those erasable gel pens, and you might recall by watching my video on the Everlast or the Wave notebooks where you can write and then you can erase your ink. You use what's called the Pilot friction pens, like this one for example, which is also an erasable. Well, this one here is made by ParKoo. Now I'm going to open this package up and you can see the name real clear right there, ParKoo. So this is not a Pilot, but it is a ParKoo erasable pen. And in the back here it tells you a few things about the pen. It says that you can write, remove, and rewrite without damaging your documents. It has a new thermal sensitive gel ink that disappears with friction using the rubber tail, which we're going to take a look at in a moment. It doesn't leave any residue or any tearing of the paper. It's smooth writing ink. We'll find out about that. And if you expose the ink to extreme temperatures like with a blow dryer, the ink will disappear. And then if you want to restore the color, you just need to put it in a freezer at below 10 degrees Celsius, which I'm not quite sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but I will in a second. Let's go ahead and just check this out for giggle's sake here. I'm going to go ahead and pull all these out. So I have 7 colors here. Nice, bright, colorful pens. And so I'm going to go ahead and pick a blue one here. We get a close-up look at it, and as you can see, it says ParKoo Remove by Friction Erasable Pen. Has a rubber finger grip here, which is real nice to the hand, and it's a very comfortable pen. I can tell you that right off the bat. It feels good in my hand, so I'm happy with that. It's made of plastic, of course, and it has this rubberish tip here, which you would use to erase with, because what it is basically, it's not your standard eraser. It creates heat by friction, and it's heat which causes the ink to disappear. So to go ahead and extend the tip, you're going to slide the clip, pocket clip, click that down just like so, and there we go. And then there's a little protective rubber ball thing on here that most pens would have that needs to come off. There we go. I'll get rid of that so that I can start writing. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a write and see how it is. So this is the ParKoo Erasable pen. And this one here, of course, this is the blue one. All right. Doesn't smear, and it is a very bright color, and it goes on really, really nice. It glides on, which is what you really want with an erasable pen. Now I'm going to go ahead and close that off. Now let's check out the erasable part. I'm using right now just plain copier paper from my laser printer. And using friction, I'm just going to go over the word erasable, and sure enough, the heat generated by friction causes the word to disappear. Just for fun, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab a blue and I'm going to grab red ink pens, regular ink pens. This here's the G2 gel pen, and I'm going to write here, this is the G2 gel, okay, and then this red one here is a Integra, okay, free ink roller, 7mm. So this is another red pen. Okay, now that we got that done, time to put it to the blow dryer test. So let's get to it and let's see what happens with this. Well, I have a little stubborn part right there, and there's a couple of them that didn't go, little parts that didn't go away, but as you can see, it disappears with heat. And I'm going to go ahead and take this eraser here and see if I can get the rest of this off. Oh, and it just comes off real quick now that the paper's all heated. And this is not special paper, okay? This paper is copy paper. And I'm going to try to erase this with friction too. Obviously what you call the blow dryer didn't do a thing to erase it. And it's not coming off. Okay, so there you go. This is really, really cool. So not only can you erase what you write with these kind of pens, but you can wholesale erase using heat. And I understand that by putting this in the refrigerator, or in the freezer, excuse me, if you put this in a freezer that can get below 10 degrees Celsius, then, and I'm going to put right here what that is in Fahrenheit, this will all come back again. Okay, I went out to my freezer, and instead of throwing this in there, I found a homemade freezer pack that I made with alcohol, food coloring, and I can't remember all the ingredients, but this can get really cold. And so I thought, you know what, why don't I just use this, and I'm going to lay it right dab on there, because this should get really nice and cold. Okay, now as you can see, a lot of it is returned. Some of them haven't come back yet, or not so much, but this doesn't lay down as flat, and it's already melting. So anyway, we can see though that you can put this down and put it in your freezer and all the words come back. Pretty cool. Now, it should be clear at this point though that you do not want to use these pens for legal documents like checks or mortgage payments or anything like that, you know, or mortgage documents or whatever, because it's erasable and heat will cause it to disappear. Now it has to be extreme heat, but it'll still disappear, and you don't want that to happen. Or maybe you do, I don't know, but just remember that that's not what it's there for. The writing of these pens is very smooth. I like them. They're very nice. They feel like regular gel pens. But they have the unique ability of being erasable. You know what I really like with these pens is, you ever taking down notes and then you end up having to scribble out your mistakes and then rewrite it? Well, fortunately with these kind of pens, I don't have to do that. I could just erase it and then write down the correct information that I originally intended, such as that. So no more having to scratch out different words and stuff and then having to rewrite it underneath, and it just makes the whole thing It looked terrible. So this is really great for that purpose.